That device you just saw costs less than $200. And cybersecurity professionals use it to test wireless systems, clone access cards, analyze radio frequencies, and demonstrate vulnerabilities in networks, all completely legally, and all available on Amazon right now. Today, we are going through 25 of the most insane cybersecurity and ethical hacking gadgets you can actually buy on Amazon right now in 2026. 1. Flipper Zero. This is the gadget that broke the internet when it launched, and for good reason. The Flipper Zero is a portable multi-tool designed specifically for security researchers and penetration testers. It can read, analyze, and emulate radio frequency signals, infrared signals, and RFID cards. Security professionals use it to test whether their access control systems can be cloned, whether their wireless remotes are vulnerable, and whether their NFC systems hold up under scrutiny. It has its own operating system, a built-in community of developers constantly updating its capabilities, and a screen that makes it genuinely easy to use even if you are not a technical expert. 2. RTL SDR, Blog V. 4. Software-defined radio. Software-defined radio sounds complicated. The concept is simple. This small USB dongle, roughly the size of a thumb drive, turns your computer into a radio receiver capable of picking up signals across an enormous frequency range. Security researchers use SDR to analyze wireless protocols, monitor radio communications relevant to their work, and identify vulnerabilities in wireless systems. The RTL SDR Blog V4 is the current gold standard for entry-level SDR research, with significant improvements in sensitivity and noise reduction over previous versions. 3. Hack RF1. If the RTL SDR is the entry-level option, the Hack RF1 is the step-up that serious researchers use. Unlike the RTL SDR, which can only receive signals, the Hack RF1 can both transmit and receive across a frequency range of 1 MHz to 6 GHz. Security professionals use it for RF protocol analysis and wireless security research in controlled, authorized environments. 4. Alpha Network AWS-036AXML Wi-Fi adapter. Standard laptop Wi-Fi cards are designed for connectivity, not for security research. The Alpha AWS-036AXML is designed specifically for professionals who need extended range, monitor mode support, and packet injection capabilities for authorized network security testing. Security professionals use this adapter when conducting authorized Wi-Fi security assessments for clients. The combination of high-gain antenna and chipset compatibility with security research tools makes it the most recommended adapter in professional penetration testing communities in 2026. 5. USB Rubber Ducky. This looks exactly like a standard USB thumb drive. It is not. The USB Rubber Ducky is a keystroke injection tool used by security professionals to test whether organizations' computers are vulnerable to physical USB attacks. When plugged in, it executes pre-programmed keystrokes at speeds no human could match, allowing security testers to demonstrate how quickly an unlocked computer can be compromised if physical security protocols are not followed. Organizations hire penetration testers specifically to test this vulnerability, and this is the tool those testers use. 6. Bash Bunny. The Bash Bunny is the more powerful sibling of the Rubber Ducky. Where the Rubber Ducky focuses purely on keystroke injection, the Bash Bunny can present itself as multiple different USB devices simultaneously: a keyboard, a network adapter, a storage device, making it one of the most versatile physical security testing tools available to professionals. 7. Wi-Fi Pineapple. The Wi-Fi Pineapple is the industry standard tool for authorized wireless network security assessments. Security professionals use it to audit wireless networks, demonstrate vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi security configurations, and test whether employees can identify and avoid suspicious networks. Companies that take their wireless security seriously hire ethical hackers equipped with this device to stress test their infrastructure before real attackers can. 8. LAN Turtle. The LAN Turtle is a covert network auditing tool disguised as a standard USB Ethernet adapter. Network security professionals use it during authorized red team exercises to establish remote access and perform network reconnaissance in controlled testing environments. It supports automated attacks, SSH tunneling, and man-in-the-middle testing, all essential capabilities for professional network security assessment. 9. Proxmark 3 RDV4. Physical access control is one of the most overlooked security vulnerabilities in corporate environments. The Proxmark 3 RDV4 is the professional standard for RFID and NFC security research. Security professionals use it to audit access card systems, testing whether employee badges, hotel key cards, and building access systems can be cloned or manipulated. Organizations regularly commission this type of security testing to find vulnerabilities before bad actors do. 10. Chameleon Mini. A smaller, more portable RFID research tool that security professionals use specifically for contactless card security testing. The Chameleon Mini can emulate multiple card types and is commonly used in authorized security audits of access control systems. 11. ACR122U NFC Reader Writer. NFC technology powers contactless payments, smart locks, and transit cards worldwide. The ACR122U is the tool security researchers use to understand and test NFC implementations in authorized environments. Security professionals use it to verify whether NFC implementations in their clients' systems meet current security standards. 12. Raspberry Pi 5. The Raspberry Pi 5, the latest version released in 2023 and still the standard in 2026, is the backbone of countless professional cybersecurity setups. Security. Professionals turn Raspberry Pi devices into portable network analyzers, honeypots, intrusion detection systems, and security monitoring tools. The combination of processing power, compact form factor, and massive community support makes it indispensable in professional security research. 13. Packet Squirrel. The Packet Squirrel is a pocket-sized network analysis tool that authorized security professionals use to capture and analyze network traffic during security assessments. It supports man-in-the-middle testing in controlled environments, VPN tunneling for remote network audits, and passive network monitoring, all critical capabilities for professional network security work. 14. GL. iNetGL-MT 3000 Travel Router. This portable travel router running OpenWT firmware has become a staple in the bags of security professionals who need a flexible, customizable network testing platform they can carry anywhere. Its open-source firmware supports a wide range of security research configurations. 15. Throwing Star LAN Tap. A passive network tap used by security professionals to monitor network traffic in authorized testing environments without alerting network monitoring systems to its presence. Essential for realistic network security assessments. 16. Sparrow's Lockpick Set. Physical security is a critical component of any comprehensive security assessment. Lockpicking is a legitimate and legal skill used by security professionals, locksmiths, and hobbyists in the locksport community worldwide. The Sparrow's brand is the most recommended entry-level professional pick set in the security community with a full range of hooks, rakes, and tension tools designed for learning and authorized security testing. 17. Tool Bump Keys Set Lock Bumping is a technique security professionals use during physical penetration tests to demonstrate vulnerabilities in standard pin tumbler locks, the most common lock type in commercial buildings worldwide. Understanding this vulnerability helps organizations make better decisions about their physical security infrastructure. 18. A Pantomex D11 Pro Hidden Camera Detector. The D11 Pro is a digital detector with a screen featuring multiple detection modes, including RF signal detection for wireless cameras and GPS trackers, infrared detection for cameras using IR lights, lens detection for both wired and wireless cameras, and magnetic field detection for GPS trackers, powered by an AI chip for faster and more accurate results. 19. JMDHKK Anti-Spy RF Detector. An upgraded version of the basic RF detector with a wider frequency detection range. Corporate security teams use this during security sweeps of sensitive meeting rooms and executive offices. 20. Faraday Bags. Faraday bags block all electromagnetic signals, Wi-Fi, cellular, NFC, and GPS from reaching devices stored inside them. Security researchers use them to store devices during investigations, preventing remote access or location tracking. Law enforcement, corporate security, and digital forensics professionals consider this standard equipment in 2026-21. USB Killer V5 Pro. Used by electronics manufacturers and IT security professionals to test the surge protection and ESD tolerance of electronic equipment. Organizations test their hardware against USB power surge attacks to ensure their infrastructure is protected. 22. Keylogger hardware. Hardware keyloggers are used by IT security professionals during authorized insider threat assessments and by parents monitoring their own children's devices. They record keystrokes at the hardware level, completely invisible to software security tools. 23. Day Author Watch. A wearable device used by Wi-Fi security researchers to test network deauthentication vulnerabilities in authorized environments. Security professionals use this to demonstrate how Wi-Fi networks can be disrupted and to advocate for better wireless security implementations. 24. Maltronics Wi-Fi Nugget. A beginner-friendly security research tool with a built-in display designed specifically for people learning about Wi-Fi security. Its approachable design and active community make it one of the most recommended starter tools for aspiring security professionals in 2026-25. Yardstick 1. The Yardstick 1 is a sub-gigahertz wireless transceiver used for testing wireless protocols operating below 1 GHz, including many smart home devices, garage door systems, and industrial sensors. Security researchers use it during authorized assessments of IoT and smart building infrastructure. If this list opened your eyes to the world of ethical hacking and cybersecurity research, drop a comment below and tell me which gadget surprised you most. Subscribe for more deep dives into the technology and tools shaping cybersecurity in 2026.